Hi guys, welcome to How to Sort YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search filters on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. In this video, I'm going to show you the two methods by which you can easily search filters on TikTok. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, then you need to click on discover and click on search and search here any filter name. So I'm going to search for rain filter. Maybe you can find a rain filter here, so you can see that this on the top you will see rain filters. You simply need to click on that filter and click on try this effect. So this is the first method. You can find any filter on TikTok, and the second method is to click on the plus icon and then you need to click on effects, and here you can find trending filters and new filters and green screen and different filters that you want. So this is the process by which you can find filters on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.